friends, welcome back again to my channel. I am Victoria, a local real estate professional here in North and South Carolina. I am accompanied here by Ryan. Ryan is an Eastwood sales agent here in Robinson Oaks, located in Gastonia, North Carolina, which is just west of Charlotte.
Hey guys, thank you for coming out and thank you for coming out. I really appreciate that. I want to tell you guys a little bit about this community. First off, we have single family residents out here, large lots. We start around the $525 price point, and I do have lots available. I'll have about 14 more lots over this spring into the summer time frame, with another 40 lots coming over the next year. And I've got side load garages, 3-car garages, basement homes. I've got a lot to offer.
Can I ask you really quick before we go?
Sure.
Your lots that are available, is it first come, first serve? Do you have a lottery? Do you have a wait list? What do you have going on there?
Yeah, so currently we do a little bit of both. We don't do a lottery, but we do a first come, first serve with the option for, it usually takes about 3 days to ratify a contract. If we do have other offers in that time frame, we will do a multiple offer, highest and best situation.
Okay, awesome. So the floor plan we're going to be walking through here today is the Charleston. This Charleston we're going to see today is a 5-bedroom, I think over 4 baths, and it's a side load garage, 2-car side load. But as Ryan mentioned, 3-car garages are an option here in this community. All right, guys, before we get started, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and also hit that red and hit the thumbs up so more people can learn about Charlotte with ease. Let's check it out together. Go ahead, Ryan.
Yeah, absolutely. So when you walk into your Charleston, you have your formal dining room on either your left or right, depending on the garage. And then you do have an office space as well, with French doors, glass French doors in there, and a great size in this Charleston plan. I'll give you a little background on this house. This community's been here about 6 years, so that's when we built this house. So some of the finishes and stuff you'll see are a little bit of that style, where now what mostly you're seeing is those grays and whites and blues in the homes. As far as the details and stuff, all of our homes are showcase homes, so they're already pre-selected with everything that's going into the luxury community. Okay. The flooring is going to be a luxury vinyl plank flooring pretty much throughout everywhere, ceramic tile in your baths, your laundry. Tray ceilings, we are adding tray ceilings to pretty much all of our units. You're usually going to have that in the foyer. Some of the dining rooms will have that 9-foot ceilings on your main level, 8-foot on your secondary level. Okay. Same thing. And I'll kind of point those through when we go through, but most of them are going to have wood stairs, the crown molding package, either a 2-piece crown or a craftsman crown like you see in here with the wainscoting. Lots of options. Okay,
thank you. So let's kind of go through here. And something I thought was very interesting that I get this a lot of homes now, they don't actually come with the additional storage. And so is this standard with the Charleston floor plan, or do you have many other floor plans that offer that?
Yeah, so Eastwood, we do a great job of making sure that we can utilize and give you every possible storage aspect that we offer. So in the Charleston, that is a standard feature right there. It does go all the way under the stairs, which is great. Yeah, it's huge. Now, we do offer basements of this home. Okay. So that would be your door down to the basement.
Ah, if that wasn't there.
Correct.
But you would have, well, I think the basement, most basements that I've seen here, you always have an additional section for storage.
Plenty of storage in there. We're gonna have finished basements out here, so we will give you a finished great room, another additional bedroom and full bathroom down there, along with unfinished areas too.
Wow, sounds like a dream.
Lots of extra space.
Yeah, okay, let's go right over here.
Yep, as you come through here, this is your guest suite down. So when the in-laws are in town, your family, your friends, whoever it may be, they get to stay downstairs in their own private little retreat with a full bath across the hall. Good enough closet space, great sized room, to be honest.
And a lot of light.
A lot of natural light in here. And they don't have to go up in your business, which is the biggest thing. You can keep your family stuff upstairs and they can stay down here.
Right, I do like that. So we're just gonna show you guys the bathroom out here. Cool. And it's pretty standard here. You have your shower, toilet, and sink combo there. Now, can you Could you do walk-in shower here if you wanted to?
Yes, you could.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Sounds good.
As you come out here into your formal great room, this has two options right here. So I have a basement home going up right now on lot 10, where this is a 2-story room right here. Oh, wow. You've got a catwalk up top, 2-story great room, and then you do have the basement, which is really nice.
Like that, yeah.
The other option is how you see it here. Great room here, covered with your normal 9-foot ceiling, and then up above us is a large bonus room, almost a media room in there.
So with the one with the 2-story, you know, great room area, does that take away from the bedrooms?
It does not. Nope. It's just an additional bonus room that's above.
Ah, got it. So you would lose that bonus room, instead it's converted to the basement.
Correct. As you come through here, we do have a great room over here, a butler's pantry through here. This is going to be a wet bar area. We do offer things of wine fridges and little soda fridges and stuff that we can put in here. Okay. Typically when we build this plan, we do add this option. Wow, okay, sign me up. Now, does it typically come with a sink as we see here, or is it either or? Yeah, it's usually one or the other. Okay. We don't typically have them together. Most people will utilize the main sink of the house, but this is a great spot right in between your dining room as it flows to the front again. It's perfect for entertainment. Yes, absolutely. So would you tell us about this breakfast area in the kitchen that we see here? Absolutely. So this is one of our luxury kitchens, which we have in almost every one of our houses out here to go along with our luxury theme in this community. Double wall oven over there, gas range is going to be standard. Island in here is standard. We do have the sink with the beautiful window outlook over there. The breakfast area, this is a 6-foot table, so this fits plenty of room. There's 2 bench seats on the side as well. You can always have the island space there. Lots of space in here. Something I really like is the sunroom area. Yeah, so 2 of the last 3 of these that I had put together and built, we did add the sunroom. It just gives you a lot extra space, another 100+ square foot of the home. It's enclosed, it's cooled, heated, and tons of natural light. And can I ask, what is your average lot size in this community? So we've got essentially the 14 sites that I have right now, which are in a very private wooded area in the back of this community, which is really nice, called our groves. Those home sites are all at least 1/3 of an acre. That's really good. Let's check out this pantry size here. Yeah, pantry is a good walk-in size pantry. Now, do you have floor plans with bigger pantry sizes in this? So this floor plan can be 3 different ways. That is the largest setup of the pantry, which gives you the largest setup of the kitchen as well. Okay. The other option is we can have more of a corner pantry right here where you're standing, but then it shifts the kitchen down a little bit. I would assume. Correct. Yeah. Okay. And this is typically how we would build it. Got it. Okay, so why don't we go on upstairs now, and we'll check out the upstairs level here together. Sure. As we come up these stairs, they are wood stairs. We do offer a composite luxury vinyl plank stair now, which holds up to, you know, if you have any animals, kids, shoes, heels, that the natural wood normally doesn't take too easily. The new product is really, really nice. We're gonna come right through here. So we've got 5 bedrooms, 4 of which are upstairs. As you come into here, this is one of the guest rooms, part of the Jack and Jill style. This is a great size room. It is on the front of the house with a huge walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. Yeah, it is pretty big. As we come through here, this is part of the Jack and Jill that will connect the other bathroom, or excuse me, the other bedroom. Full bath here with a door, so you can use that. And then you have 2 separate sinks as well. Come into here, another secondary bedroom with another big walk-in closet as well. Great natural light. Lots of design options. When we build our model homes, we decorate them for you having ideas of what you want to do in your own home. And hopefully we can give you those ideas. So remember, we were downstairs and we were talking about the 2-story room. Yep. So this is that bonus room that we have added. And we add this in a lot of them, typically because it gives you that extra square footage. And it's a huge room. So it's got the 2 French doors. You walk in, it's got 2 closets on both sides as well. So you can put your games in there, you can put extra pillows, you can do, you know, whatever you'd like in there. And then you can kind of make this whatever you'd like.
Yeah. I would probably make it a movie room.
You can make it a theater room, you do tons of different things in here.
Absolutely. Love it.
So now we're gonna take ourselves over here to another guest room. Now this room has a couple unique options. Another walk-in closet over here. And then when you come through here, this actually connects to a fourth bathroom. If you have an older sibling or somebody else that wants their own private bath, you have that. Now, if you were to back up through here, that takes us right around where we were before with the bonus room, into your
laundry room.
Nice large laundry room.
Wow, yeah, large is the word.
Definitely plenty of space in there.
So with your showcase homes, are you putting in the countertop space here and the cabinets?
Typically we are not.
Okay.
It is an easy add after the fact if you are to move into the home.
Okay.
But we like to leave that for the homeowner so they can kind of decorate their laundry room. A lot of times it's a peaceful space, or at least you want to make it a peaceful space.
So, but the size, this is what
This is the
comes in
size.
Charleston.
Correct.
Okay.
Now this size can change slightly when we reconfigure the master bath. But typically we'll do the master bath as we do in here, which would leave this that same normal size.
Got it. All right, let's check it out.
Yeah, master bedroom right through there.
Wow.
So this is what most people come here for the Charleston for. You have a huge master bedroom. Tray ceiling, we typically do the tray ceiling as well.
This feels like a spa.
It is great. You have the double doors into your luxury master bath. And one of the biggest things that many like is this walk-in closet. So you could make this a whole nother additional room. So if somebody's in trouble, they might be sleeping in here.
That's actually a very nice idea right there. I like that.
And typically our standard would be
utilization.
the one rack above,
Yeah.
but we can do these different styles.
Oh, you can.
Correct.
Got it. Okay. Nice.
Yep. And we'll go take a look at the master bath. So as you enter in here, you've got the large deep soaker tub with the large luxury shower included bench. Frameless shower glass doors. You have a separate water closet there, and then the dual vanities, which is really nice.
Yeah, I like the fact that they're separated. Is this what you would see in a showcase home?
Typically that's more of a decorative piece.
Okay.
It does match the cabinets in here, but that is more of a decorative piece.
Oh, okay.
So we would give you two of the larger mirrors and the granite or the quartz on there, and then you would have over here another linen closet.
Okay, but the shower and the tub combo here, that's pretty standard.
Yeah, so we've got two options. We do them about 50-50 when we build these homes. With the deep soaker tub and the large shower, or we give you an even larger shower, walk-in shower with no deep soaker tub. We've moved this bath up slightly and give you another closet over here too.
Okay friends, so there you have it. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this wonderful floor plan here with me. Once again, I was accompanied by Ryan. Ryan is the Eastwood sales agent here at Robinson Oaks, and Ryan will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. So guys, be sure to leave down for me in the comment section what you loved most about this house. Do you like this living, the great room as we see here? As Ryan mentioned, there is no lottery currently in this home. They are operating on a first come, first serve. So if you're interested in this community, please reach out to myself, or you can reach out directly to Ryan. I'll share his information below as well. And I'll turn it over to Ryan.
Guys, thank you so much for coming through with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit your notification bell as well for her. You can follow me as well. I am the new home guy on YouTube. I'm not as cool as she is yet. But thank you guys for coming out. If you do have any questions, stop by, come through, take a look. We are Eastwood Homes at Robinson Oaks in Gastonia. It's a quick Google search, you can find us. Besides that, I really thank you guys for stopping by today.
Thank you, Ryan, for having us. We appreciated it.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. See you guys in the next video.
Did he tell me why? Has anybody told you why? do.